This video will demonstrate the Boolean operators you can use in EBSCOhost to refine your search results. The Boolean operators are and, or, and not. You can use these operators along with your search terms to create very broad or very narrow searches. For this demonstration, we will be using the terms wind and solar as we search in EBSCOhost for articles related to alternative energy. When using the AND operator, the search will only provide results that include both terms wind and solar. When using the OR operator, the search will provide results that include one or the other or both terms. This operator is very broad and returns the most results. When using the NOT operator, the search will exclude a specific term so that it is not included anywhere in the results. This is the most limiting of the operators and returns the fewest results. Start by navigating to EBSCOhost from the library homepage. Select relevant databases and click Continue. As you can see, EBSCOhost defaults to the AND operator. Use the drop-down arrow to see and select the other operators, OR and NOT. We will leave it to the default and start by using the AND operator. For this search, we are looking for articles that discuss both wind and solar alternative energy. You will see in the results that the articles listed cover both wind and solar. Note that there are about 1,700 results. For the next search, we will use the OR operator. We want to see articles about alternative energy and either wind or solar, or both. Notice how this greatly expanded our results to more than 61,000, and we now have articles that include both terms and articles with only one of the terms. For our final search, we will use the NOT operator and look for articles about alternative energy and wind, but not solar. This has limited our results the most of the 3 searches we have performed, and now the results only contain articles with the term wind and none with the term solar. Thank you for watching. To access library resources, or if you need assistance, please visit the library website at www.occc.edu/library.